Hi there, English learners. Today we're talking about auxiliary verbs, those little helpers like do, does, and did that make your sentences complete. Let's learn how to use them correctly and not forget them. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are like the assistants of English sentences. They help us ask questions and form negatives. The most common are do, does, present, did, past. Examples: present simple. I like pizza. Do you like pizza? She plays piano. Does she play piano? Let's fix some real examples. He not like chocolate. Wrong? He does not like chocolate. Or, he doesn't like chocolate. Okay. Do you understand? Did she go to school? Did already shows past, don't use past tense again. Tip: after do, does, or did, always use the base form of the verb. Let's test your skills. Does he like dogs? She doesn't drink coffee. Did they go to the party? Nailed it. You do know your stuff now. Awesome job. Remember, use do or does for questions and negatives in the present. Use did for the past. Always use the base verb after them. Like this lesson? Then do click that like button, do subscribe, and do leave a comment using does or did. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.